Now here is how we can save email attachments on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So at first we of course open up the Mail app on our device like this. We can get inside and see all of the emails which are received on my device, and let's say I'm gonna pick this first one right here. You can see that this email contains an attached image as well as attached PDF file. So if I want to download those attachments, I have actually a few options. At first, you always need to pay attention to the file and if it doesn't have the download icon. So you can see this attachment right here has the preview, the name, and the information about the size, but all the way on the right, we have the download icon. So if I click on it like this, it asks me where I want to download it specifically, so I can go to the downloads folder or save the attachment and pick the location manually. So I like to go in here and pick like a random folder in my local storage, or however you want to organize it, obviously. But let's say I'm going to click on the folder 2, right? I'm going to click on save, and it is now part of the folder 2. So if I leave the email, go to the Files app, and browse the folder number 2. So I'm going to go through all of them like this, and here it is. And I'm going to sort it by the date. And you can see at the top, we have the attachment stored. So if I zoom it in, it's telling me that it is literally the same file size and everything, right? And it's also letting me know that it is from Alexander, which is interesting because that was the email sender. So it also saved it in here, so I can see it exactly that this is an attachment and also who sent it. So that's really nice. And all the way on the right, we also have the mail icon to indicate that this is indeed downloaded from email and not some other file. So not everything has it, and only those downloaded from email. So that's really nice. And outside of that, if it doesn't work, like for example, for this image, we don't have the download icon, but we can tap on it like this and click on a share and click on a save image or save it to the files, right? So if you don't have the download button directly, just open the attachment, click on share, and the saving option should also be available the exact same way. So that is how it currently works. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.